Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you Maestro MUS1 Dash Kit for Ford Mustang 2010 to 2014. This dash kit allows you to install a double-din radio in 2010-2014 Ford Mustangs that the factory radio is actually part of the heating climate center. And there are different dash kits out there, but this one is very cost effective as long as you have a compatible radio. So compatible radio will have the Maestro communication information. So it allows the radio to communicate with the vehicle gauges and to control the heating all through the radio. So in this case we've used a Pioneer NEX module, and this is the AVH 1440 NEX. Now we're going to show you the steering wheel, everything is working. Now we have the buttons that are supplied from the dash kit. So when you press on the climate, we have all the climate showing here, so we don't need the full buttons and original climates anymore. So we have all the climates showing on the screen here. There's also a few more nice features. You can choose different options, but in this case we chose this button, for example, to be the vehicle gauges. So we press on it, we have the vehicle gauges. We press on this button, we have the vehicle information. So it gives us doors open, doors closed, voltage of the battery, if there's a check engine light. If the vehicle has heated seats, we can see the heated seats from here. And also we got a nice USB. This is a nice flash mount USB, comes built into the Maestro dash kit. There's a second one on the other side, but we left it closed as we only have one USB for this system. And everything else looks nice and clean like factory. The Maestro dash kit, Pioneer systems and other electronics for vehicles can found at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.